Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall the Temu app and remove all data. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. On your home screen, start by pressing and holding the Temu app icon until you see the option of More Info or App Info. Now you will see the option of Uninstall. Tap on that and select OK to uninstall it completely. With it, any data of Temu will be removed from your device, but your data is still on the Temu website, which you can access again by logging into your account. Now, if you want all of your data to be removed from Temu's website as well, you will need to delete your Temu account as well. You need to open the Temu app and then tap on You. On the top right corner, you will see the settings icon. Tap on it. Now tap on Account Security. Select the Delete Your Temu account. From here, you will need to check the small circle and tap on Continue. Now your Temu account will be deleted. This is how you can remove all of your data from Temu. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.